Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best kayaks available on the market right now. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced paddler, this list has something for everyone. All the links to these products are in the description below, so let's dive right in and find the perfect kayak for your next adventure. At number 4, we have the Sevalor QuickPack K1, a one-person inflatable kayak that takes portability to the next level. This kayak folds into a backpack for easy transportation and can be set up in just 5 minutes, making it perfect for spontaneous trips to the water. It's made of 21-gauge PVC, giving it decent durability for recreational use. The QuickPack K1 is designed for solo paddlers and offers a comfortable seat with a backrest for support. One of the highlights of this kayak is its convenience. The all-in-one design means you can carry everything you need, including the pump and paddle, in a compact backpack. The performance is solid for calm lakes and rivers, but it's not suitable for rough or open water due to its lightweight construction. While it's priced at $179.99, which is on the higher end for a single-person inflatable kayak, the portability and quick setup make it a unique option for paddlers on the go. Overall, the Sevalor QuickPack K1 is an excellent choice for those who prioritize portability and ease of use. However, if you're looking for something more robust or capable of handling choppy waters, you might want to consider other options on this list. Taking the number 3 spot is the Intex Explorer K2, a budget-friendly two-person inflatable kayak priced at $120.39. This kayak is made from super strong PVC, which provides good durability and resistance to punctures, making it a reliable choice for recreational use. With a 400-pound weight capacity, it's suitable for 2 adults, and the adjustable seats with backrests ensure a comfortable paddling experience. The Explorer K2 is designed for calm lakes and mild rivers, with 2 included aluminum oars and a high-output pump, making setup simple and quick. Its bright yellow color enhances visibility for added safety, and the removable skeg improves direction stability. While it's an excellent value for its price, it's worth noting that it doesn't perform as well in rough or open waters due to its lightweight construction and inflatable design. If you're looking for an affordable and easy-to-use tandem kayak for leisurely outings, the Intex Explorer K2 is a solid option. However, if you need something more robust or with advanced features, keep watching for our top picks. At number 2, we have the Intex Challenger Inflatable Kayak Series, the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $111.99. Despite its low price, this kayak offers solid performance and features that make it a great entry-level choice. Made of super strong PVC, it's durable enough for recreational use in calm waters. It includes ergonomic paddles, a high-output pump for quick inflation, and a removable skeg for added stability. What sets the Challenger apart is its thoughtful design. The adjustable seat with a backrest ensures comfort during your paddling adventures, and the cargo storage net on the bow provides space for your gear. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for beginners or those who need a portable solution. However, it's best suited for calm lakes and rivers and may not perform well in rougher waters. If you're new to kayaking or on a tight budget, the Intex Challenger is a fantastic choice. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and comes with everything you need to get started. While it lacks some of the advanced features of higher-end models, it's hard to beat at this price point. Finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Intex 68309 EP Excursion Pro K2, the premium option on our list priced at $183.99. This two-person inflatable kayak is designed for serious paddlers who want durability, performance, and convenience. Made from super tough PVC with a 3-ply laminate construction, it offers unmatched resistance to damage from abrasion, impact, and sunlight. The high-pressure inflation system adds rigidity and stability, making it suitable for a variety of water conditions. The Excursion Pro K2 is packed with features, including adjustable bucket seats, ample storage space in the bow and stern, and stainless steel D-rings for securing gear. It also comes with 2 removable skegs, allowing for optimal maneuverability in both deep and shallow waters. As a bonus, it includes fishing rod holders and a GoPro mount, making it ideal for anglers and adventurers alike. If you're looking for a high-performance inflatable kayak that can handle a wide range of conditions, the Intex Excursion Pro K2 is the clear winner. It's durable, feature-rich, and well worth the investment for those who want the best kayaking experience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this comprehensive review of the top 5 best kayaks. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these kayaks, drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy paddling, and I'll see you in the next video.